Good morning, friends. Nainakshay here, Swami here. Someone commented on my video how to keep stop loss, how to decide. Actually, in live market only, you have to decide the stop loss placing, and you will be knowing the levels, some levels of support, and you should have some idea of some levels of support and resistance, what it can do, and also the idea of average true range of a particular underlying. Suppose if you are trading on the stock, you should know the daily ATR of any stock. Yeah, for example, Bharti Airtel, Reliance. So you should know how much it can go, the range, average true range of the particular stock or the index. I know for this index, average true rate is ATR is around 153 points. Because anything on trading view, if you apply the ATR indicator, you will get ATR of you can calculate the ATR and you can do that. So you should have all those ideas in your mind. Suppose, see, what I do is to keep stop losses and everything, I'll have an idea. I'll mark to start beginning of the day, I'll mark the closing of the previous day. See, I have marked over here. And here the thing is clear. So this is the boundary of previous day. What happened? This here, this is the high and low of the thing and closing of the previous day. The market gapped up. First 15-minute candle is gap up and penetrating below the, see, if you mark the boundaries, you have got an idea that it is a weakness. It is going, this territory has been violated. It is going. So it is a weak. Sellers are dominating. So usually I wait for mark the high of now. Now I'll mark the high of the first 15-minute candle. I'm showing this is the marking of the first 15-minute candle. So I know opening and also the high. I'll usually wait for 15 to 45 minutes. Within 45 minutes, the market will settle. Even though the structure is like this, many times on intraday, the price may go like this. Let me show here. It may show some weakness. I'm not able to take this. Yeah, it comes down and it's many times this type of structure movement, price movement is also seen. So going back and filling the gap. So why it may tend to fill the gap? It is an area gap. This is an area gap formed within the area. So sometimes it will fill the gap. So that's why you need to wait for minimum 45 minutes, 9:45, at least 9:45 to take the trade and decide your stop loss. And also one more thing, I keep an eye on the pre-market settlement. The pre-market settlement will give you an idea, and if you have marked the structure on the previous. So marking the structure on the previous day, and I'll get the location where it is. Pre-market price is settling. So that is another way. So for the first 15 minutes, this is the first 15-minute candle. This is the another 15-minute candle, another 15-minute candle. Let me remove all the drawings to be clear for the trade on the present day. So what I do is, I have explained in my previous video, I'll take the flip tool, I made a template so that I need not tweak all the time. I'll apply this. So first 45 minutes, I'll put the range. So for me, it is visible. See, you should be very quick in analyzing the things, then you will know how much it is. So I'll take the fifth tool, and this is the 50 percentage. You mark. If it is not clear, 18,573 is the 50 percentage, and you mark it. Okay? So when you are set, you are stop. So by seeing the price action, it is a weakness in the market. So how much it is going to retrace? See, after the 15-minute drop, the price started reacting and it started coming up. In live market, you will not be knowing whether this candle will continue to the upside or downside. So here, when I mark the 50 percentage, I expect the price even go to the 0.618 and even 0.718. Sometimes it may. So it should not retrace up to the 0.718, or even it can go up to 0.618 of the fifth tool. Then it gets rejected. So my stop losses I'll keep in tranche. See, this will be the first stop loss, 590, or the to be on safer side, 603. How many points stop loss here? From here to here, let me take the measuring tool. This may be the stop loss, 49 points. 49 points stop loss. Or otherwise, to be on safer side, from the premium level. From the premium level, you keep 22 points. So 22 points is my stop loss. Suppose if you are trading in the option, same thing. You watch out for 15, another 15 minutes candle, even the option premium. Take the fifth tool, tweak it like this and mark it like that. That is an easy way. You need not go for measuring the price, how much it has reduced and all those things. You will get an idea. So by seeing the retracement, I know volume spread analysis, how the volume will react, and I know about what type of, these are the no demand bars and all those things. I'm not going to explain all those things. Keep simple. This is a simple way of, so it has become clear. 1, 2, 3, I have given 1 hour time and the price could not go past this. Then I am clear I should be on the good side rather than the call option because it could not retrace. There is no strength to take away this opening price. Even it could not go past the pivot. I mean 50 premium level, then their sellers are dominating in that. Another observation, what I do is I see for the volume candle. This is a above average volume selling. Above average volume selling and the retracement of these two and the retracement price action is not matching this seller volume. So it is clear you can take the trade. So my stop losses ranges. This is how I measure the stop loss. I'll be cautious. Okay. Because I'm speaking when the everything chart is formed. Let me take the playback mode and let me start playing it. So that you can decide. You have in a live market, all your emotions will be there, and so you will find it difficult. But if you use this systematic method to analyze the market in live market, then you will be successful. I'm going to play it. See, this is how. So immediately what they will do, it was a red candle, but it turned into green. Okay. This is the continuation, even the sell off. See, lower low, lower low. Within 15 minutes, I'll have the range. See how the price is moving, right? So here itself, my stop loss has been decided. By seeing this candle, I will have an idea and decide this. So how much price room is there? 507, 1 minute. Just this is 31 points, 29 points. Then my stop loss is almost around 15 points on the option premium. 15 to 20 points on the option premium. I'll keep stop loss for a put option if I have taken a put option and then trade. So don't bother when you have taken the trade, when your conviction is right. This is how you need to take the trade. See, you will get disturbed by these pullbacks, green volumes, and all those things. Don't complicate your trade. So I've kept the stop loss over there, 20 points. In my option premium, put option premium, I'll continue to ride the trade. Apart from that, when I've taken the trade, what I do is I'll take this fib tool and 1 minute. I'll take this fib tool, and since this price movement is very wide, because it is within 1 hour, just a second. So it's everything is moving. So 1:2 is my target because this is a wide range. Let me remove the drawings. I'll show it to you. See, this is I'll take the simple tool, simple tweak of my fib tool, and I'll drag it for my targets. Price has not moved. I've taken the trade. See, 1:2 because the range is almost 52 points within an hour. So 52 points within an hour will give me, so 153.2 is ATR. So when there is starting 1 hour, it is a wide range, then my stop, this will be 1:2. So you can see how clearly it respects that. 1:2, I'll close my position. I hope you understood about the trade, how you can take the trade and you can continue. This is a simple way of my trade. What I do is daily routine. I'll stop it and stop this playback mode. And I'll again come back to reset my chart. Okay. Something has happened here. I'll reload it. Okay, leave it. Leave it. Something has happened. It's reloading it. Okay. So this is the Nifty index. So these are my ways of trading. And this is a simple fib tool, tweak to only 50% 1 and 0. And also to know the levels, some levels I've tweaked it to 0.6 and 0.7. You can make your own template so that it will be easy. On TradingView, it is an opportunity. You can tweak it and you can do that. It's a wonderful platform. You can do wonders. Even on the free version, you can do that. You need not go for premium thing or anything. And this is how, see, the first step is now, let me remove the drawings for my trade today. What is the range? High. This is the high of the previous day. And it is the low of the previous day. And this is the closing of the day. So I'm set for today's trade. So I'll see for watch for the pre-market settlement. And apart from that, I prepare myself by taking the 1 minute. Where are my levels? I'll take the same fib tool and I'll go for my template. I'll put this. So I know this is the premium level of this swing because prices start coming down. So I should be aware of the swing premium position, that is 18,430. I can anticipate price to come to this level. And also 0.618, that is the discount level, 0.618, that will be if the price comes. There is a saying that always buy at this discount. People buy at the discount. Even the premium institutions, they will buy at the discounts. So these are the institutional levels. So they will try to buy at the. So I know my levels. I know the boundary of the previous day. This is the previous day high, previous day low, and the previous day closing price. I'll keenly watch where the market will open, and also I know the levels of the swing. So these are the levels. I'm ready for my trade. The pre-market I'll watch and where the price will settle and watch the price action. And as shown, I'll mark the first 15-minute candle like this. First 15-minute candle, I'll zoom it out. First 15 to 35 to 45 minutes, I'll mark the range. Usually 1 hour will mark same fib tool. I'm taking the same fib tool and marking that. And I'll watch for the volumes and also I'll watch for the volume of the pullback candles. This volume and also I'll keep an hawk eye on these days and I'll start if I want. I am prepared for taking my trade and I'll start keeping stop losses. Stop losses, I'll measure the range of this first 15-minute candle and the hours range, and then I'll decide to go long. Sometimes the structure will be little bit complicated. For example, in this way, in this area. See, this is the first 15 minute and 30 minutes. So this is the hourly high and the hourly low. It gone below the past this. It could not extend it and it is coming to, it started moving. See the retracement, almost 0.78, almost to the, so then when this sort of movement is there, then I'll be cautious. Then immediately I'll come to know this is the day, actually day is undergoing through range. So when this equal amount of volume has been negated by the equal amount of selling, immediately in the first hour itself, I'll come to know this market is going to trade in a range. So the range will be defined for me. I'll mark the range of the high of this and mark the low of the range. So this boundary is decided, and that day the range trading should be applied. When the price moves up and reverses, you go for. The range will be very narrow. You can see the range is very narrow. There is no expansion on the range. There is no clear-cut trend in the market. Only 58 points. Better to avoid. Better to avoid the intraday trend. I hope this my explanation will make your trading simple. And this is how I see the market and take the trade. Thank you very much, friends. Nalinakshi Swami signing off.